My name is Maya Goldenberg, and I am a professor of philosophy at the University of Guelph in Canada. I'm a philosopher of science, and I work on topics in medicine, healthcare, and public health, especially controversies surrounding science and the publics, where public trust in science may be challenged or it may be reinforced, depending on how the controversy is dealt with. This work began for me with a long study of vaccine hesitancy in industrialized nations. I was working on this before the pandemic struck, and at the time, parents refusing childhood vaccines was the focus of major public health concern. Now, it still is, of course, but it took a backseat for a number of years as COVID vaccination was really the source of attention. I published a book called Vaccine Hesitancy, Public Trust, Expertise, and the War on Science in 2021, and have since then done more work on public trust in science. The talk that I will be giving addresses science communications to the publics. Communications, of course, are meant to inform the public and also to engender public trust. And it is a challenging thing to do amidst so much misinformation and what's largely seen as a broken informational ecosystem. So in this talk, I'll be looking at competing frameworks for science communications. One is myth busting, and the other one I call meaning making. These approaches attend to different understandings of the purpose of science communications, also different understandings of the nature of the publics, what it means to understand science, and even what is the nature of the science that we are communicating. I'll be paying attention to the cultural narratives that justify these communications approaches. I challenge some of these narratives and the underlying assumptions, and I aim to convey a more productive account of science communications in an infodemic.